So this is going to be a reading for Libra, okay, for the next 48 hours. This is regarding you have a soulmate. Currently, your person, how are they thinking of you? We have Knight of Pentacles. So I believe your person hasn't given up on you. If you feel your person has, if there is no contact for, let's say, even more than a week, then I feel your person hasn't given up on you. In terms of their energy, I see your person finding the strength necessary to come forward. As of now, to be honest with you, resistance. Okay, I would not want to lie to you. Just like I told you in the last reading, that your person will take time coming back to you. But what you could expect in the next 40, in the next few days, let's say 48 hours to 72 hours, I feel your person will want to take action. Currently, the problem with your person is your person does not have much to offer. Even if your person comes back right now, I don't think your person has much to offer. And what you want from them is a commitment. I believe you want your person to express the love. You want your person to appreciate you. You want your person to acknowledge you. You want your person to let them know and reassure you that this connection can move forward. Okay, so with Page of Pentacles, I do not honestly feel your person has much to offer. Okay, I'll still pull one more card. One card for Libra person's current feelings towards Libra. Libra person's current feelings towards Libra. One card for Libra person's current feelings towards Libra, please. Right now, to be honest with you, I have Hermit card. So your person is going within. Okay, so I believe this person is right now trying to think, trying to go through that process where they want to know what they truly feel for you. With Wheel of Fortune, the feelings for you have been going up and down. Sometimes your person comes very strongly. They want to be around you. They want to flirt. They want to talk to you. Any within few days, boom, they are just not there. Silent, gone cold towards you. Okay, so one card for how are they thinking of you now, like how do they truly think of Libra, how do they truly think of Libra. One card for that, please. Okay, with Four of Earth, they are holding on to you. Okay, they are not giving up on you. Okay, this is similar to Aries reading, but they are holding on to you. Okay, with King of Fire, there is a lot of passion for you, but darling, your person is still resisting. There is this major resistance. Okay, so one card moving forward, what are they wanting to say to you now? What's your person wanting to say to you? Libra soulmate, what are your person wanting to say to you? Message from your person. You are the only person I want, and that scares me. It's really freakish. Okay, so yeah, you are the only person I want. That scares me. Really freakish. One more card that Libra soulmate wants to say to Libra now. So I have always loved you. It's not that I'm confused. Okay. So your person is wanting to tell you that they love you. Okay. Your person might also be dreaming of you, kissing you all at night and shit. Okay. So I feel like your person hasn't given up on you. It's just that they are going to take time, because if they come back right now, they do not have much to offer. And they were breadcrumbing you and you were not happy. If they come back, that cycle is going to continue. So they know that if they have to come back, they have to come back with something solid, something that you could look up to. There's no point coming back and offering you the same shit they were offering in the past. Know what I'm trying to say, right? So yes, this is what I have. I'll pull one more card as to what they are going through. What is the Libra soulmate possibly going through? What's the Libra soulmate possibly going through? Pull this card to that, please. Libra soulmate possibly going through. Right now, I have another Four of Pentacles. So, if this person is trying to make you believe that they are fine without you, they're enjoying life without you, they're posting happy pictures and shit, darling, trust me, your person is just faking it. Okay, faking it, making you believe that they are fine without you, possibly triggering you, but nothing is going well in their life. Financially, I see them messed up. Emotionally, I see them messed up. They are not wanting to keep themselves open. Neither are they open to anyone. Okay, with Queen of Cups, I still see them majorly thinking of you. Okay, so one more card is to currently what are they wanting to offer you. Currently, what's the Libra so possibly wanting to offer Libra? What's the Libra so possibly wanting to offer Libra? Currently, one card. What are they wanting to offer Libra? Okay, with Queen of Wands, I see a lot of sexual energy. Okay, this person keeps you in high regards. Okay, even though they haven't behaved ever like this, like they still keep you as a high. Like the one they want, the one they would want to have in their life, the one they are sexually attracted to, the one they want to be around and do things, do some naughty, romantic, highly passionate things. Okay, with Ten of Pentacles, many of you, this person has a dream of in the future, of course, of getting into a stable connection with you. Okay, as of now, I still feel like they are not in a place to offer you much. They do not have much to offer. They are going through some painful times, I believe, and they're not wanting to tell you about it. I can guarantee you, your person is not in a happy space right now. Okay, so how do they view you now? One card for how does your person possibly view you in terms of that. How does your person possibly view you? Like what would they think you are doing or what you are up to? They feel like you have gone within, you have taken a break from them. You are basically taking this time away from them to heal, to get better, to basically get your vibe back, your energy back. They feel like you have taken a break from them, and that's how they see this. Okay, with Seven of Cups, they felt like you got confused and messed up, and that's why you left. You couldn't take the confusion, you couldn't take that messed up energy that they were making you go through or being a part of, and that's why you left. With Six of Swords, they feel like some of you are trying to stay away from them or possibly move on from them, but majorly they feel like it's a temporary break. They know that some of you will not move on completely, but they feel like it's a temporary break, and for now you are not wanting to face them. That's what they think. Okay, so yes, this was your reading for the sign of Libra for the next 48 hours. Let's take 2 to 3 days. So if you like this reading, please do hit the like button, and yes, support the channel. Thank you so much, guys. Cheers.